In this video, I'm going to cover how we can use the Sterilisation Journal when your autoclave does not print its own barcode or QR labels and you want to generate them from the software itself. So firstly, we're going to go to the Sterilisation module on the left-hand side of the screen. The first thing that you'll go to is your sterilisation devices. In here, you need to add in each autoclave that you have at the clinic. So add a new autoclave. The autoclave name, the serial number will be located somewhere on the autoclave. You can put in an autoclave description, so if you've got one on the left side, one on the right side, you can pop that in. Now you must pay attention to this box. This autoclave prints its own labels. You want to leave this blank because in this case, your autoclave does not print its own labels and we're going to be printing them from the software itself. So leave that blank and now you can add in all of your cycles that your autoclave does. Firstly, we can remove the test cycle and let's call that, so you've got your vacuum, helix, and you'll have a universal cycle as well. And then you can add on any other cycles that's available from your autoclave from here. Once you've finished, press save. Now that's the sterilisation devices done. You don't need to come back here every time that you're printing out labels. So just as a once-off, you'll add your devices. Next, we want to set up our sterilisation pack templates. So if we go here, there's some set up already. So this is an example of what you can put in this area. So let's say you have exam kits, you might have a filling kit, and certain instruments go into that pouch. So in here, you can set up the pack templates and you can tell the system what's inside the exam kit, a mirror, tweezers, probe, etc. So set up all of your different kits that you've got here just by adding new sterilisation pack template, giving the pack template a name, and then the contents inside. And then make sure you hit save on the bottom right. Again, like the sterilisation devices, once you've set this up at the beginning, you don't need to come back into this area, unless of course you're making a new template. Next along, we have our sterilisation packs. This is where we're going to be printing our labels from. So once the autoclave is finished with the cycle, you'll come to this area first. What you're going to do is you're going to bulk print labels. Now, depending on whether you're using Avery barcodes, Avery QR, Dymo barcode, or Dymo QR, you'll select what you're using. In this case, let's select Dymo barcode labels. Just ignore this message. I don't have a Dymo label printer installed on my computer. Your label printer would appear up here from the drop-down list, and you'll tell the system how many labels you want to print out. So if there were 20 packs that come out of your autoclave, you're going to print out 20 barcodes or 20 QR codes, whatever it is that you're using. You'll press print and they'll print out of the printer for you. Next, we're going to add in those packs. So add new pack. Now you need to do each pack individually. So what I mean by that is, say you've got 5 filling kits that have come out of that autoclave. So you'll need to press add new pack, add in the 5 here, and then move on to your filling kits, your endo kits, for example. And then you'll do the same process again. So each pack needs to be done separately. So pack label, in here, you can scan your QR or barcodes, or if you don't have a scanner, you can always type it in. I'm going to type it in here. Sterilize pack template, you can select from what's in your pack templates, which I showed you before. So let's say we're doing filling kits. You can change what's in the pack contents from here as well without affecting the template. So once I've got in all of my filling kits, let's say there was a couple more in here. let's say I had 4 filling kits that just come out of that cycle. I can save that. And now if I had other packs, I would do the same process. So if I had exam packs as well, I would add new pack, and these will be my barcode or QR of the exam. Same process there. This time I'm going to press exam kit and save. So at the moment, my items here are sitting as unsterilized, and they'll stay unsterilized until I follow through with the last step, which is a sterilization journal. In here, we're going to record the details of the actual sterilization record. So add new sterilization record, autoclave name, cycle type, cycle number, and you can fill in all of these details here with the start time, finish time, and you can select whether the chemical strip indicator has changed or has not changed, passed and failed there as well. So now we're going to enter in all or scan all of our barcode or QRs of everything that came out of that autoclave cycle. So let's just do one as an example. That was one of the numbers I entered. Just show you, you would add them all in this section. So just keep scanning and they'll keep listing through here. If I save that now and I go back to my sterilized packs, that one that I entered now has turned to sterilized. So that means that it's been entered into the packs and it's also been entered into the sterilization journal. So the system can confirm, based on the information you entered in the sterilization record, that that particular barcoded pack came from this cycle. And like normal, you can add it into patient appointments. So autoclave track, I can either scan or type it in manually, and then it will appear as it's a sterilized pack because it's registered that from the sterilization module.